welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review of this unisex soft breathable cotton printed cowboy bandana. It is a timeless accessory that is very important, and it is very stylish. You can see this bandana, this is very stylish. From casual wear to outdoor adventure, you can use this bandana. It is a must for everyone. So this bandana is of the black, red and white color. This bandana has the color of red, white and black. I also have bought another bandana that is from the blue color. This is the blue bandana that has the color of white and blue and black. So stick around to see why this bandana are more than just a piece of fabric. They are a lifestyle statement. Let's talk about the material. This bandana is making them so special because the material. They are made of 100% breathable cotton. Cotton as well. You all know it is skin friendly and perfect for long wear. Whether you are rocking a red bandana for women, you will love the comfort. The fabric is lightweight. This fabric is lightweight and they are durable. And every bandana stitch at the edge to prevent fraying. At every end of the stitch, they have their stitch to prevent fraying. This isn't just true for the bandana or the red bandana, but also for the black bandana, red and white. It is available in different colors also. The quality that make them so special. The stitching which is there, it ensures that the bandana hold up whether you are wearing it for a hike or a party or during a workout due to stitching. And trust me, the breathable material keep you cool and comfortable even in the heat. Even if you wear during the heat, it will keep you comfortable. Now the colors and the style option. One of the standout feature of the variety of the color is the red bandana, which have a black and white. It makes it so cool and interesting that anyone can buy it. The bandana black, red are especially eye-catching. And you can look at the design also. It is very eye-catching. This design never go out of style and are perfect for pairing with daily wear or making a fashion statement. Whether you are going for a rugged cowboy look with a red bandana or a chic accessory vibe with a red bandana for women, this color and pattern fits seamlessly in your wardrobe. Now let's talk about the versatility, how we can use this bandana and how many style we can do in this bandana and how many ways. First, you can use it for hair covering. You can cover your head. It can be used as a headband. It can be used as a face mask also, and a neck gaiter and a headliner. You can even put this for a headliner and your wristband. You can even wear this as a wristband. The bandana black and red look so great as a headband for workout or yoga. It can tie around the neck for a sophisticated touch. You can even tie it around your neck for a sophisticated touch, and for those sunny days, it double as a face mask also. If you want to go out in the sun, you can also cover your face and you can go out. It will protect you from the sun, from the dust, dirt, pollution and UV rays. Whether you are at the gym, hiking a trail or attending a party, this bandana have covered you literally. And their lightweight design make them easy to hold and carry it anywhere, wherever you go. Now I'll talk to you about the practical benefits. Besides from their style and their functionality, this red bandana are especially popular for outdoor use. Why? Because they are perfect for protecting you again from dust, UV rays and even light wind. whether it is black, red, blue, or you can count on them for practical uses during camping, hiking, or fishing trips. They aren't just for fashion, they are the tool for everyday use in your life. How do you take care of this bandana? Taking care of the bandana is very simple. They are hand wash only, but they are small price to pay for how long they last. I have washed this bandana red and black multiple times when I bought it. Now this is my second bandana which I am using it. I bought this red. Earlier I was using the black one which I gave it to my granny, and now she is using it. Now this red bandana I bought it for my daughter cowboy activity. She'll become a cowboy, and teacher I told her to buy a red bandana. So this is very simple to use, and it is very simple to wash also because it is hand wash, and the price we pay, it lasts for longer. But plus the stitching that remain intact. Even the black and white bandana with this intricate design hold up beautifully after repeated washes. Just let them air dry to maintain the fabric softness. You just have to air dry to maintain the fabric softness. Bandana is just an accessory. It is a fantastic accessory for both men, women, kids, and everyone. This red, black, and red bandana, the style are timeless, versatile, and incredibility function. Whether you are looking for red, black, blue bandana for your husband, or you're looking some for your child, this other accessory is a must, because if you are looking for stylish, durable, and practical accessory, I highly recommend picking up this one for one of this bandana. And with this option you can get different colors also that you like. If you like the blue one, you can buy the blue one. If you like the red one, you can buy the red one, because it is a fantastic accessory for both men and women too. So friends, I have been using this bandana for a longer time, and I have brought this red bandana for my kids. So I like this product. You can also buy it. You know the different uses that I've told you how you can use it. You can use it in the multiple ways. If you like my video helpful, please hit a like on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. Bye.